Okay, so today's daily cipher dash dash dot G A dot dash S dot dot dash dot yes. The code is cracked a real detective. 32 million have become 33 million coins. Daily combo. Okay, let's do today's daily combo as well. So the first card is semi-final Spain versus France. The second card is uh, let's see, TG leaders. Yeah, this one, TG leaders. This is the second card, and the third card is in Web3 Dex. Go ahead. Done. 50 lakh coins. Good job, CEO. So I have 3 crore 88 lakh coins now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.